up, so there's nothing I could do to let you down. Doesn't take a trophy to make you proud. I'll never be more loved than I am right now. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you piano accompaniment for absolute beginner. So if you've been wishing for this knowledge of how you can accompany and you don't even really have any really basic knowledge of music, this video is right for you. All you need in this tutorial is a piano or a keyboard, and you should be able to write letters A to G and also identify the letters. Pull up my videos from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. See you in my first lesson.